Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today this talking is completely through heart to heart conversation. So tell me if you ever felt that way, because I've been feeling this thing from my childhood only. I mean, for so long. Let's talk about for so long. So I have this mindset that I want to help my family a lot. I feel like we all have same brain. It doesn't matter you are a girl or a boy, and over social media everywhere girls are slaying, boys are slaying, they are earning so much, they are working on their dreams, they are having a great life, they are improving, evolving. So whenever I hear any problem of my parents, like they are like this is a problem happening, and I feel like I want to help them. I want to earn money so I can help them, I can bring that smile on their face. If any relative who is having any problem, and I feel that connect, I feel empathy for them, I feel like if I had money I could help them, I would help them to make start a great business, I could help them to give them some ideas, some work. So if I see people struggling, not my family, the anyone who is struggling, I would want to help them. This is already inbuilt in me. But first of all, I think I should start helping myself. I need the help. Not that way. I'm saying that the help of start working. When I will start working, I will start earning. That's the time I will help the people around me. It just makes me so happy whenever I bring a smile on anyone's face. So this is the thought I have. But let's talk about the work. What work I'm doing for that? So because of thinking so much before, because of overloading my brain so much and giving so much responsibility to myself, no one ever asked me to do all these things. It's my responsibility, I feel that responsible. So my brain starts to overburden, then it is not able to take action, it is not able to do the things it is capable of. And in that process I start avoiding my task, I start avoiding my work, and the pending works also gives me some trauma that I couldn't complete them, I couldn't do that. And before completing any one task I start doing something else, and which is traumatizing me. Solution, we can start one thing to help ourselves, that is study. For me, that my study, I'm preparing for government exams. So in the morning I'm gonna wake up early and I'm gonna give my all time to study. Okay, in afternoon I think I should chill, relaxed, and after waking up I will do the revision of my study, the other GK subject I'm talking about. In the morning maths, then GK, in the afternoon revision or maybe some PYQs. Then in afternoon I'll relax for a while, then I come on upstairs because this is my recording time, I have to upload videos as well, and I don't want to put that pressure on my brain. For study I have to use my brain, 100% of my brain. So for video making I don't want to use my brain so much, it will be overburdened and it would leave the things in between. Then are you getting my point? If I go there and search the ideas and solutions and I will tell people, then they will get the knowledge, and I will edit, I will put the background sound and everything. It's not gonna help me that way, and I am not that personality who is really enjoy using phone. It's just my brain who wants to avoid the situation. That's when I go to my phone. Other than that, I feel like the best time when I'm not with my phone, and when I have unlimited data in my phone, I'm just so frustrated with it because I can't stop myself using it and avoiding the situation. But yeah, I hope I haven't left the track. So I hope you're getting that I'm going to talk anything which comes in my brain pops up here, because I have gotten a lot of knowledge through these years, because I like to watch knowledgeable videos and they hear so much. I just need to let it out. So it will be beneficial, trust me. Then at night I feel it's for my happiness, things which makes me happy. I don't want that people see there some I don't want to put any efforts over there. It's just me and my art. The painting, the painting, the sketching, mehendi, or the designing dresses, it's all me and my art, because it makes me happy. And I'm not maybe I can record my art and upload the outcome, but not the process, because in that way I'll be so busy all the time, I'll be so focused on the work. When will I chill? Eventually I will leave all those things, so I do not want to leave the things. I will start from early morning, and after night I'm going to call it a day. No work after that. My brain needs to chill, relax. Maybe after 6, 7, 8 I should do that, because when I'm painting, it's all relaxed time. It's not a work time. So